Ever thought about exploring Greece on a motorcycle? Imagine the wind in your hair, the sun on your skin, and the thrill of the open road. Picture cruising through Meteora, Acropolis, and Corinth. Ready to kickstart this journey? Strap on your helmet and let's hit the road. Our first stop is Meteora, an area known for its monasteries perched on top of towering rock formations. The ride up is a thrill in itself. As we navigate the winding roads, remember, early morning or late afternoon offers the best views, so plan your ride accordingly. When hunger strikes, indulge in local delicacies like souvlaki, a feast for the senses. With your belly full of souvlaki and your heart full of the sights of Meteora, it's time to ride on to our next destination. Next, we are off to the heart of Athens, the Acropolis, a testament to the grandeur of ancient Greece. Finding a parking spot for your bike can be tricky, so look for motorcycle parking near the Plaka district. To avoid the crowds, aim to be there bright and early, and don't forget to grab a gyros while you're in Athens. It's the perfect fuel for any biker. After soaking in the history of the Acropolis, it's time to ride on to our final stop. Finally, we reach Corinth, an ancient city that's a treasure trove of archaeological wonders. The best routes to take are those less traveled, winding through olive groves and vineyards. Be sure to visit the Temple of Apollo and marvel at the Corinth Canal. And don't forget to indulge in local Corinthian cuisine, a bite of souvlaki here, a taste of gyros there. As the sun sets on our Greek motorcycle adventure, remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. So, where will your next ride take you?